Hi everyone, I'm Adam from Thinkware, and in this video, we want to tell you all about our iVolt external batteries that extend your dash cam's parking mode duration so it doesn't miss any important incidents while parked. Here we have the iVolt mini battery, and this right here is the iVolt Xtra battery. The Xtra is our newly launched external battery pack. The pack's more oomph than its smaller brother, the iVolt mini, and includes new and improved features. Let's jump in and see how the new iVolt Xtra battery compares to the iVolt mini. The Mini is a 4500 mAh battery, whereas the iVolt Xtra is a 7500 mAh battery, a 66% increase in capacity over the Mini. When your 2-channel Thinkware Dash Cam is set to motion and impact detection parking mode, the Mini can power it for up to 16 hours. The Xtra, on the other hand, can power it for up to 27 hours. When set to energy saving mode, the Mini can power your 2-channel dash cam for up to 24 days, while the Xtra can last up to 40 days. Now, if you're wondering how long it takes to charge these batteries, the Mini can be fully charged in as little as 45 minutes while driving, and the Xtra, despite having a much higher capacity, can be fully charged in only 55 minutes with fast charging mode on. It can also be fully charged in 100 minutes in regular charging mode without affecting the lifespan of the battery. As you can see, the new iVolt Xtra external battery delivers high performance, more power, and increased durability to make your Thinkware Dash Cam's parking mode last even longer. There are a few unique features of the iVolt Xtra that set it apart from other batteries on the market. It is accompanied by an app, the Thinkware iVolt app, which allows you to check your battery status and performance directly from your smartphone. You can use the Thinkware iVolt app by pairing your smartphone to the battery's built-in Bluetooth. Thanks to its lithium ion phosphate material, the Xtra is safer, more stable, and has a lifespan that is 3 times longer than that of lithium ion or nickel-based batteries. The iVolt Xtra also boosts advanced safety features thanks to smart charging. Smart charging helps protect the battery against unexpected situations like overcharge, over-discharge, sudden input voltage change, and low voltage. Additionally, it provides heat protection while charging. For example, if the temperature of the dash cam rises more than 80 degrees Celsius during the charging, the battery will automatically cut off its power and shut down. On the back of the Xtra battery, you will find a USB port that you can use to charge any other device or plug in a hotspot dongle for a convenient connection to the internet and to access Thinkware Connected or Thinkware Cloud services. How to install. Let's now discuss how to install the iVolt Xtra external battery in your car. The Xtra battery can be safely installed into both electric and gasoline cars. However, it is not possible to hardwire the Xtra battery in some electric vehicles like Tesla's because they do not have a traditional fuse box. Before we get started, you'll need the following items: iVolt Xtra BAB-95 external battery, hardwiring cable, which is not included, tape, and tools. In the box, you will find 2 cables, the input cable and the output cable. To hardwire the external battery, connect one side of the input cable to the input port on the back of the battery. The other side has 2 wires, as you can see here. Ground the black cable and connect the second one to the constant power fuse slot in your car's fuse box. Next, connect one end to the output cable to the output port on the back of the battery. Connect the green wire to an ACC fuse slot. Here, the other end of the output cable has 3 wires. This black cable will be connected to a hardwiring cable by attaching the same colored wires to each other. For example, connect the yellow wire on the output cable to the yellow wire on the hardwiring cable, and so on. The other side of the hardwiring cable will be further connected to the dash cam at the DC in port. This third wire is the communication cable. Connecting it to the dash cam will allow the battery to communicate with the dash cam and let you know the status of the battery. When the dash cam switches from parking mode to continuous recording, or vice versa, a message informing the level of battery charge will be relayed. For more details on how to hardwire, check out our How to Hardwire a Dash Cam video at the link at the top. Thanks for watching our video.